Hello guys, can you please confirm if the audio and video is clear to all of you? Can you please confirm if audio and video is clear to all of you? Come on everyone, in the chat box please. Wonderful. Okay. So let us start the orientation session for March 2026. Just to give a quick introduction about myself. Myself, a qualified chartered accountant and a ACCA global rank holder. Okay. Now I qualified CA back in 2017. Post qualification, I was with KPMG India and some part in KPMG Dubai as well. And in December 2022, December 2021, I started teaching ACCA. Okay, so this is my quick introduction out. I have an experience of around 3+ years of experience of teaching ACCFR and ACCSBR, and with God's grace, luckily, in the past, I have seen a track record of around 83 to 85 percentage pass percentage of the students appearing for the enrolled students. Okay, now. I have been quite active in YouTube also for helping students in the revision. I believe you would have seen my FR and SBR revision sessions as well. Okay. Now, in this session of ACCA orientation, I'll be covering each and every aspect of ACCA. Okay. So basically, I'll be assuming that you don't have any knowledge about the subject. In this session, you will get to know what exactly is the syllabus of ACCA, how exactly it is structured, what will be the ACCA paper pattern, what are the resources, key resources, which you as an student should be referring to while studying FR, whether you are enrolling in my class or you are doing your self study, irrespective of that. Okay, I will be helping you with the key resources which you should be adopting, or which you should must refer for your FR preparation. Okay, then we will also discuss what will be my strategy in my ACCA class. I'll be discussing that in depth, and how exactly we will be discussing the concepts, how exactly we'll be discussing the questions. I'll also show you the books that I have developed for you guys. Okay, one is the concept book, another is the question bank. We'll discuss this also with you guys, need not worry at all. I'll show the entire book with you. Okay, now, so we can discuss. Okay, now there is a student Darshini asking, will this be useful for SBR students? So Darshini, I have already conducted the detailed orientation of around 1.5 hour for SBR students also. So for that, what you have to do is you have to visit my YouTube channel by the name ACCA with Vishal Jain, where exactly you are watching this video. Okay, go to the live section and there you will find SBR orientation, so you can watch that there. Okay, now, coming to FR orientation. So in this session, basically we'll discuss each and everything about FR syllabus, FR paper pattern, the strategy which we will take in the class, how exactly we will discuss things in the class, the concepts, the practice of questions, the queries, the mock test, everything will be discussed in depth in this session. Okay. But before that, I believe you should know why exactly is FR important, because I believe students generally doesn't understand the importance of FR paper. But trust me, FR is the base of entire ACCA. I can tell you, FR is the base of entire ACCA curriculum. Exactly, this is what I'm trying to say. Now tell me, why am I saying like this? Tell me, ACCA in general is an accounting qualification, right? ACCA in general is an accounting qualification, okay, and FR is an accounting paper. But let me give you a brief about it. Tell me, in ACCA, I believe you know, we have three levels, right? One is knowledge level, another is skill level, and another is professional level. Okay. Now, accounting as a paper, is there in all the three levels. All the three levels. At knowledge level, it is called as FA. At skill level, it is called as FR. And at professional level, it is called as SBR. Right? Now, guys, understand, at knowledge level, you study the base, you study the very base, meaning thereby how exactly you should pass journal entries, how to prepare ledgers, how to prepare trial balance. So you study the base, entry level. Okay, it is at FR level you exactly come and study IAS or IFRS. Right? It is at this level you study IAS or IFRS. Now understand, I'll show you something now. I am taking you to the syllabus of ACCA SBR. Just see it yourself. So what, in my ACCA SBR, I have done the mapping of the syllabus of ACCA FR and ACCA SBR. Just see the syllabus. Wherever I am written same, it means the syllabus of FR and SBR is same. Meaning thereby, see, this chapter is completely same for FR SBR. Completely same, completely same, completely same, completely same. So there is a huge overlap, huge overlap. So what I'm trying to say, if you put importance for FR, your SBR will be taken care of. Your SBR will be taken care of. Okay, so definitely the approach of questions being asked at FR level and the approach of questions being asked at SBR level is significantly different. But if I talk from a perspective of knowledge, FR is the base for SBR. So I can guaranteedly say this part that FR is the base. FR is the base. Around, I can say, 55 to 60% syllabus of FR and SBR is same. Now, let me tell you one more point. At skill level, you have another paper called as AA, which is called as Audit and Assurance. I believe you know this paper, right? To study the paper of AA, you need to have a knowledge of FR. Similarly, at professional level also, you have a paper called as AAA. To study AAA, to appear AAA, you need to have knowledge of SBR. And SBR, the base is FR. So if you are understanding, FR is the central level paper. FR is the central level paper. FR is a central level paper. So FR is a very significantly important chapter for your entire ACCA. Now, this is one of the reason. Let me tell you another reason. Let's suppose after clearing your skill level or after clearing your ACCA, when you go for a job, tell me, in the job interview, what questions will they ask? Irrespective of the place where you go. If you go in an accounts department, audit department, wherever you take the job, what type of questions will they ask? They will definitely ask questions from the FR paper. They will definitely ask you. I can guaranteedly say that they will definitely ask you knowledge on IFRS and IAS. So again, in practical life also, FR is the very important paper. FR is quite very an important paper in your entire ACCA as a student life and the official life. Both places, FR is quite a significantly important paper. Okay, now coming to the syllabus pattern. What exactly is the syllabus of ACCA FR? Okay, so what ACCA has done, they have divided the syllabus into 4 aspects. But let me redirect you. I'll come to it. But let me tell you something. Let's suppose this is an entity. Okay. This entity does multiple transactions throughout the year. Tell me yes or no. Sir, what type of transactions? Acquiring an asset on lease, selling goods or services, rendering services, purchasing assets, giving rent, paying salaries, right? Incurring any other expenditure, receiving interest, paying interest, right? Receiving dividends, paying dividends, taking loan, repaying loan, issuing equity shares, multiple transactions, right? Multiple transactions. So now what happens? First of all, you will study transaction level. Transaction level accounting. You will study transaction level accounting. Okay. Now using what? Using IAS and IFRS. Okay. So you will understand how to apply the given IAS or IFRS in a particular transaction and do the accounting treatment for the same. So to take an example, let's suppose we have acquired an asset on lease. We'll apply IFRS 16 on that and do the accounting of lease. Let's suppose we have sold certain goods or services to our customers. So we'll apply IFRS 15 on that and recognize revenue Okay. So basically we will apply all the accounting treatments. We'll apply all the accounting treatments as per the given standards, IAS or IFRS, and do the accounting treatment for the same. Let's suppose if we purchase any asset, then we'll apply IAS 16 on property, plant and equipment. Okay. Let's suppose we incur any finance cost, we will apply IAS 23 on the accounting treatment for the same. So for each and every transaction, there is a accounting standard which we have to apply and do the accounting treatment for the same. So this is the first stage, transaction level accounting. Now from this transaction level accounting, we will make financial statements. So I'll write here preparation of financial statements. When I say financial statements, okay, I mean to say statement of financial position. I mean to say profit and loss. I mean to say statement of cash flows. I mean to say statement of cash flows. I mean to say, okay, notes to accounts. I mean to say notes to accounts, and also I mean to say statement of changes in equity. Now, what is the statement of change in equity? We'll study later, not now. Okay. So we'll prepare the financial statements. We'll prepare financial statements. Now, then from these financial statements, we will prepare group financial statements. Now, what is the meaning of group financial statements? What is the meaning of group financial statements? Let me guide you on this. Let's suppose, I believe all of you know Tata Group. Okay. Now, understand, this is Tata Group. Okay. It has multiple companies. Like, for example, Tata Motors. Like, for example, Tata Steel. Like, for example, TCS. Like, for example, you can say Tata Capital. Like, for example, Tata Insurance. There are multiple companies in the group. There are multiple companies in the group. Now, first of all, by applying the particular IAS and IFRS, each company will do the transaction level accounting and they will prepare their own financial statements. Each company will prepare their own financial statements. Each company will prepare their own financial statements. Okay. Then after that, what we have to do is we have to make the financial statements of the entire Tata Group as a whole. Okay, financial statements of entire Tata Group, and this is called as group financial statements. This is called as group financial statements. So I believe you are understanding the chronology. I believe you are understanding the chronology, right? First of all is the transaction level accounting. Then comes the preparation of the financial statements of that company. Then comes the financial statements of the entire group. Then comes financial statements of the entire group. See, when I'm talking about these two, I'm talking individually about this company. I am 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 talking individually about this company. But when I talk about group FS, I am talking about this company. I am talking about this company. I believe you are understanding the meaning and the difference between these. Now, once we prepare the group financial statements, then we do the analysis of the financial statements. Then we do the analysis of the financial statements. Analysis meaning thereby, let's suppose, comparing how the company performed in the current year as compared to how it performed in the previous year. Okay. Now, comparing how this company performed versus how my competitors performed. Comparing how this company performed versus how the sector in which this company operates performed. Okay. So all those are called as analysis of the financial statements. Analysis of the financial statements. I believe, are you understanding? Tell me guys, come on. Are you understanding this chronology? Are you understanding this chronology? Come on guys, please tell me. I need a response from each one of you. Is this chronology clear to all of you? Wonderful. Wonderful. So now let us map the syllabus. Part A, let's leave it. Part B, accounting for transactions. So this is your part B. Part C is your analysis of the financial statements. This is your part C. And then comes part D, preparation of the financial statements. So this becomes your part D. These two becomes your part D. So out of 4 parts, part B done, part C done, part D done. Right? See, part B, part C and part D. The only one that remains is part A, conceptual and regulatory framework. What is the meaning of this? Conceptual and regulatory framework. What is the meaning of this conceptual and regulatory framework? Now understand, when here I talked about transaction level accounting, there might be instances that company has entered into a transaction for which there is no accounting standard, for which there is no IAS or IFRS. Tell me, how will the company do the accounting in that case? How will the company do the accounting? Because there is no IAS or no IFRS. How? It will take the reference from the conceptual framework. Okay, now let's suppose okay, let me give you an example. Have you heard about bitcoins? Have you heard of Bitcoins? Let's suppose initially we heard that Tesla is accepting Bitcoins as a medium of currency. How will Tesla account for revenue when it sells a car through Bitcoins? How? Is there any particular standard on that? No. How exactly are we going to do the accounting? So we'll take the help of conceptual and regulatory framework, which will guide us on how to do the accounting treatment for the same. I believe you are understanding this. I believe you are understanding this. Tell me, guys, is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Come on, guys, tell me. Okay. Now, further, if the standard setting body, now these standards IAS or IFRS, tell me, do you know who sets up this standard? Do you know who sets up this international accounting standards and international financial reporting standards? Do you know who sets up these standards? So there is a body called as International Accounting Standards Board, which we will refer in our class as IASB. IASB. Okay, so this body is the parent body of this one. So this body gives birth to standards, international accounting standards and international financial reporting standards. Okay, so this is the body. This is the body. We'll talk about in depth about this in our next class, though. But still, I'm giving you the basics of it. Okay. So International Accounting Standard Board sets up international accounting standards and international financial reporting standards. Now, so tell me, if IASB has to set up a new accounting standard, there should be a base, then conceptual framework forms the base of the new accounting standard. Conceptual framework forms the base of the new accounting standard. So if I have to tell you nutshell, wherever IAS or IFRS fails to give the accounting treatment, conceptual framework helps us. Okay, so this is what is part A of the conceptual framework. I believe you have understood the syllabus. of ACCFR. Come on, guys, tell me, please. Is the syllabus of FR clear to all of you? Wonderful. Now, moving on to exam pattern. See, we understood the syllabus, what exactly we need to study in ACCA FR. But now we need to study the exam pattern also. Okay. Now, understand the exam pattern. So your ACCA FR, which is of 100 marks, to be solved in 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, is to be solved in 180 minutes, is divided into 3 sections particularly. Section A, Section B, and Section C. Okay. Now, Section A is of 30 marks. Section B again of 30 marks. And Section C of 40 marks. Okay. Now understand, Section A is objective type questions. I'll write in this format. Pointers. I'll write in pointers. 30 marks. Now, this is objective type questions. This is objective type questions. This is constructed response questions. Now, generally, what I have seen, students have a tendency, a wrong notion that this section A and section B is MCQ. Are no re baba. Section A and section B is not MCQ. It is not an MCQ. Please understand, it is objective type question. Sir, what is the difference between OTQ and MCQ? Let me tell you. Understand, please. OTQ includes MCQ. It includes one word answers. It includes true, false. It includes, it's not a MCQ, it's a objective type questions. Objective type questions. Okay. Now, again, moving on to the next. Here, section A, in section A, you will be asked 15 objective type questions of 2 marks per question, totaling to 30 marks. Now, here, if I talk about section B, it is also the same. It's 15 objective type questions of 2 marks per question, totaling to 30 marks. Comes the question, sir, is section A and section B the same pattern? No. But you right now you said 15 objective type questions of 2 marks per question, totaling to 30 marks. Same thing here. But there is a catch. There is a catch. And the catch is, in this case, the 15 objective type questions which will be asked, they will be independent of each other. They will be independent of each other. Means they are 15 different questions. They don't have any link between them. They don't have any link between them. Okay, now. But if I talk about section B questions, section B questions are like this. Case scenario 1, case scenario 2, case scenario 3. And this will have question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, question number 9, question number 10, question number 11, question number 12, question number 13, question number 14, question number 15. Now understand that these questions are dependent on each other. These questions are dependent on each other. But please understand that these case scenarios are independent. Means these 5 are dependent on each other. These 5 are dependent on each other. These 5s are interlinked. But there is no interlinkage between these two, between these two, between these two. There is no interlinkage between these two. No interlinkage, no interlinkage, no interlinkage. I believe you are understanding this point. I believe you are understanding this point. Okay, now Neha has a query. Sir, please make a plan for FR March attempt, please. I can't buy your course. I learn from, okay. Please make a plan for the 3 month. No worries, Neha. I'll make a plan. Need not worry at all. I'll make a plan for you guys. Okay, need not worry. Need not worry. I am promising I will come up with a plan. I'll come up with a plan. Okay, see, in this session my intent is to give you the knowledge about the entire ACCA financial reporting, so that you can make a plan for yourself also. For those who can't buy my course also, for them also, they can make a plan on themselves. But still, I'll come up with a video wherein I'll help you with a detailed plan. Wherein I'll help you with a detailed plan. Need not worry at all about that. Okay, need not worry at all about that. The intent, my intent here is to help all my students, whether they have enrolled with me or not. Okay, the intent is to help you pass your exams. The intent is to help you pass your exams. That's why I'm recommending all of you to share this video with as many students as possible, so that they get to know the syllabus. See, they get to know the syllabus. If the syllabus part is clear now, the understanding part is clear now, you yourself can, you will get a capability enabled. You will get a capability enabled within you to make a plan for yourself. Okay, within next 3 to 4 days I'll come up with a plan for that also. Need not worry on that, Neha. Okay, now tell me, is section A and section B part clear to all of you? Is section A and section B part clear to all of you? Come on guys, please tell me. Okay, now let us move on to section C. So in section C, it is a constructive, as I mentioned, it is a CRQ, meaning thereby constructive response questions. I'll write it off here. Constructive response questions. Constructive response questions. Okay, now, so in this, which is of 40 marks, right? This is of 40 marks. Now, it will have two questions. Question 1, question 2. It will have two questions. Now, one question will be from preparation of financial statements. It can be individual financial statements. It can be group financial statements. It can be anything. But they will ask you to prepare financial statements. They might ask you SOFP, they might ask you P&L, they might ask you anything, but they will ask you preparation of financial statements in this question. Okay. Now, in next question, question number 2, they will ask analysis of financial statements. So many times students ask me, sir, can I leave this chapter of analysis? No, my dear friend, you can't leave. No, my dear friend, you can't leave. In the exam, there is a mandatory thing that a question on analysis will come definitely. For how many marks? For how many marks? 20 marks. 20 marks. Tell me, can you leave this question? Can you leave this chapter for the exam analysis? Can you leave? No, you can't. You can't leave a 20 marker question. No, you can't leave a 20 marker question directly, apparently. No, you can't. And I'll tell you, this is the only chapter which requires the least amount of efforts and which will give you the most amount of marks. Trust me. Trust me. Okay, so this is the FR paper pattern. Tell me guys, is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you? Come on guys, please tell me, is that clear to all of you? Guys, if you're watching the session and not liking the video, it's not good. Okay, please all of you, come on. Please all of you, please like the session. Please like the session. Come on guys. Come on everyone. Come on. Okay, now tell me, do you want Me to open a ACCA FR exam paper and exactly show you how exactly the questions are there, how exactly section A there, how exactly section B there, how exactly section C there. Tell me, do you want me to show a question paper? Do you want me to show a question paper? Okay, so let us discuss. Let us see a question paper. Screen sharing. Can you see ACCA practice platform in front of you? Can you see ACCA practice platform in front of you? Tell me, guys. Okay, chalo. Browse available exams. So our exam is financial reporting. No variant to be selected. Chalo, financial reporting. Okay. Let us take a exam one. Assign it. It's already assigned to me, it says. Okay, if it is already assigned, then let me find it here. Okay, next. See here, section A. This section of the exam contains 15 objective type questions. Each question is worth 2 marks and it is of 30 marks total. Okay. Next. See, this question is coming from a regulatory framework. Next, this question is coming from group accounting. So two different chapters. Section A, all the 15 questions are independent of each other. Next, this question is from government grant. Next, this question is from provisions. Again, different standard, different chapter. This question is from group accounting, different chapter. So what I'm trying to say, if you see here, section A has total of 15 questions. And if you see, all these questions are independent of each other. But now, if I go on to section B, now what does it say? This section has 3 case studies. Each case will have 5 questions. Okay, each question will be 2 marks. So 3 into 5 into 2. 3 case study. Each case study has 5 questions. Each question is worth 2 marks. So 3 into 5 into 2 is 30 marks. Okay, now if you come here, see, this is the case study. This is the case study. Now you see, for the next 5 questions, this case study will remain the same. Just that this question will keep on change. Case study will remain the same. This question will be changing. Okay. Now see here. First question. Second question. Case study remains the same. Question changed. Case study remains the same. Question changed. Case study remained the same. Question changed. Case study remained the same. Question changed. And I believe 5 questions over. Now the case study will change. Now case study changed. Now case study changed. Now again this case study will have 5 questions. Okay. Now case study will remain the same. Questions will keep on changing. Okay. Now first question. Second question. Case study remains the same. Third question. Case study remains the same. Fourth question. Case study remains the same. Fifth question, case study remains the same. Now, fifth question over, case study will change now. Now, this case study will again have 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, each case study has 5 questions. 3 case studies means 15 questions. Each question worth 2 marks means 15 into 30 marks. Now we will be moving on to section C. Now this section C will have 2 constructed response questions. Okay. Each question will be of 20 marks, total of 40 marks. Next. See, this is the question, and this question is coming from preparation of financial statements. Okay. Next, if I move on to the next, this question is from preparation of financial. See, it says prepare a schedule of adjustments, prepare a statement of financial position, right? Now, next, this question is from analysis of financial statements. See, reply to the observations. Okay, then see here. Using the financial provided, calculate the ratios and comment on the performance. Comment means analysis of the financial statements, taking the help of these ratios. So this is what you have to do in this analysis of financial statements. So I believe you have fairly understood the FR paper pattern. Tell me guys, come on. Is that clear everyone? Come on guys, please tell me. Okay, now what we have done in our lectures, okay, we have divided the entire syllabus into block wise. Okay, chapters of similar nature are clubbed into one block by block, so that you have a sense of completeness. You will get a sense of completeness, a sense of achievement while doing your lectures. Okay, now, but a general query that I generally students ask me, sir, my base is not clear. See, I'll tell you, the only thing which I will expect in my class, that you know how to pass basic journal entry, how to prepare ledgers, the basic journal entry, the ledgers. Okay, you know these things, the basics. This basic definitely I'll expect in my class that you should know. Rest everything will be my responsibility. I'll teach you everything from the very base. And now, to get the basics clear, what I have done is I will be taking a YouTube live session tomorrow, which will be open to all, free for all of you. Okay, tomorrow again at 7 p.m. time. Okay, 7 p.m. India time, wherein I will be discussing what? The basics of ACCA FR. Okay, the basics. In the basics, we'll discuss what should be the approach of ACCA FR. Point number 1. Point number 2. What is the meaning of financial statements? We'll study further. What are the components of financial statements? We'll study what are the elements. Generally, I've seen students doesn't know the difference between components and elements of financial statements. They believe they are same. They are not same. There is a significant difference between components and elements. Okay. Then further, we'll study the definition and the meaning of what exactly is asset, what exactly is a liability, what exactly is income, what exactly is expense, what exactly is equity. We will understand the meaning of these, each of these. Okay. Sixth part, we'll understand what is the treatment of income and expense, where it will go to P and L, where it will go to reserve, where it will go to equity. Incomes and expense, what should be the treatment of it? We'll discuss that. Seventh part, we'll discuss the concept of Time value of money. Generally, I have seen students struggling how to compute present value, how to do the unwinding. What is the meaning of unwinding? What is the meaning of finance cost? What exactly is the relevance? So we'll discuss what is the concept of time value of money. We'll discuss this part as well. We'll discuss this part as well. So all these things which are now further eighth part we'll discuss what exactly is IAS, what exactly is your IFRS, how it emerged, how it emerged, how exactly we need to study. We'll discuss, we'll understand this. See, these parts, the one that I'm discussing in your basics class, will this be tested in your exam? No. But if you don't know these basics, you will struggle in each and every aspect of your FR preparation. You will struggle in each and every aspect of your FR preparation. But if you take control over these, then you will not struggle. Your base is clear. Tell me guys one thing. Whenever a building is built, right, the foundation on which the building is built should be quite very strong. If the foundation is strong, building can absorb the shocks of earthquakes also. But if the foundation is weak, the doesn't matter how lavish the building is, it will fall down. It will fall down. So your foundation should be quite very strong, and that's what we are focusing on this in the tomorrow's lecture. And also I will give you the basics of, I will give you the basics on how to pass journal entries also, on how to pass journal entry also. I'll give you a quick hack. I'll give you a quick hack on how to pass journal entry. So all these things we'll be discussing in our basics lecture. I believe this will give you a significant amount of confidence. I believe this will give you a significant amount of confidence, right? Now, I believe I've discussed fairly from an FR perspective. Now coming to, sir, how exactly you will be structuring your classes? Definitely, we will discuss all the concepts in depth from our FR capsule. Where exactly it is? Where exactly? Here it is. See this FR capsule book. You will get a hard copy of book. You will get a hard copy of this book on enrollment. Okay. Okay. To all the Indian students, international students, we can't ship this book. So international students will give you the book in the printable format so that you can get it printed. But for all the Indian students, we'll give you the hard copy of this book. In this book, I have spent significant time and efforts to make this book. See, what I have done is I have tried to summarize the entire syllabus, whether it be your ACCA Study Hub, BPP, Kaplan, everything. Even I have went to a level wherein I have analyzed the past papers, analyzed the, you can say, practice papers, specimen papers, technical articles, examiner report, and drafted my own examples as well, so that your concepts become quite very strong. Plus, not only those, after review of the examiner report, I got to know what are the mistakes which a student can do in the exam. So I have highlighted those mistakes also here. I have highlighted for each chapter, I have highlighted the mistakes which you could do in the exam. I have highlighted the mistakes which you could do in the exam. See, I have brought important examples also for you guys. Okay, again, important mistakes which you could do in the exam. I'll just show it with chapter of group accounting. Amazing level of mistakes I have made a summary of. I'll just show it to you. Just give me a minute, please. See, first in the chapter of group accounts, first see these things. I have made 4 examples which will give you the significant amount of confidence, in understanding the basics of group. Then just see this part, the mistakes part. See how many mistakes I have summarized here. Around 25 mistakes in the entire group accounting chapter. So these I have spent a significant time and efforts, and total entire FR book in just 133 pages. Just see here. You can see here 133 pages. Last page is 133 page number, right? So you can see here page number. Total page number is 133, but the content is of 127 pages. You can see it here, right? So in the least number of pages, most level of output plus. Now tell me, okay, tell me honestly, while practicing questions of any paper, not on, I'm not talking about FR particularly, while practicing questions, what is the most asked question, most asked query? Sir, from where to solve the questions? Kaplan, BPP, Study Hub. From where shall I solve questions? Tell me. This is the question that you have in your mind always. I need answer from you guys. Tell me. Always you have this question in your brain. Sir, from where to solve questions? BPP, Kaplan or Study Hub? Tell me please. Please guide us. You always keep asking me. You always keep asking me. Please tell me, right? I need answer from you guys. Right? So I have the solution for that. So what I have done is, see this book. Section A questions. This has all the questions of BPP, all the questions of Kaplan, all the questions of Study Hub, okay? Removed all the duplicate questions, and not only that, all the questions of examiner report as well. So you are not required to further go specifically to examiner report and solve the questions. No, I have brought it here itself. I have brought it here itself. All the questions at one place. All the questions at one place for you guys. Tell me, don't you think this will be of significant help? Don't you think this will be of significant help? Right? Now, students are asking me, sir, when are you conducting basics of FR and SBR? Okay, so that will be held tomorrow. That is Tuesday, 16th of December at 7 p.m. India time. Okay, Shreya? Now, so this question bank for this for section A. Now moving on to section B. Section B. So I have done similar thing for section B also. Just see the contents. See here. All the case studies of BPP, Kaplan, Study Hub, Examiner Report. Everything at one place. So no efforts required to be put in again. Now for section C questions. See what I have done. The questions are along with the answers. See, I have done the analysis of the past papers for section C. What type of questions were asked in section C in the past papers? Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts. Then for individual questions, I have done the analysis of all the questions of BPP, Kaplan, past papers, practice papers, Study Hub, specimen papers, everywhere. So basically, I can say you can't find even a single question outside this book. You can't find even a single question outside this book. Okay. All the questions which are available for ACCFR are there in this book. So you are not required to refer multiple sources. You're not required to refer multiple sources. You have to refer only this source. Sir, but how exactly you be solving questions in the class? Let me discuss it with you. Let me show it to you. I'll show previous batch. ACCFR December 2025. Just see it here. So what I see in chapter, let's suppose take up one chapter, property, plant, equipment. How many questions does it have total? In total, how many questions does it have in total? In total, it has how many questions? 21 questions. And out of 21 questions, what I do is, first of all, I will ask you to solve questions and accumulate your queries. And in the meantime, what I will do, I will also identify few questions out of these 21 questions, which I will discuss irrespective of whether you have a query or you don't have query in that. Okay, I will definitely discuss those questions. And these are those questions. LDR means last day revision questions. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 21, 9 questions definitely I'll discuss. Then 3 questions came as a query. So 9 plus 3, 12 questions out of 21 are discussed in the class. Now let us see some other chapter called as, let's suppose, impairment of assets. Let us suppose impairment of assets. How many questions does it have? Total. In total, it has 19 questions. And how many questions did we discuss in the class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 questions out of 19 we have discussed in the class. So everything almost we discuss in the class itself. So nothing remains apart from that. Nothing remains apart from that. So this is what is the level of practice that we do in our lectures. Okay. Now moving back to March 26. Yes. Orientation. Okay. So this is how we practice the chapters. Now, how will our classes be structured? How will our classes be structured? See, understand, we need to accept the fact that FR is a voluminous paper where there are lot of concepts, okay, lot of questions to be practiced. So everything continuing in the live, not practically possible for us. So what I have done is, I'll be giving you the recordings which you have to watch according to the planner which I will share. Okay, which you have to watch according to the planner which I will share. But sir, will you not be available? I will be available. I will be available every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday. 3 days a week I will be available live with you. I will be available live with you. What time? At 6 p.m. India time. At 6 p.m. India time. But sir, what exactly are you going to do in these sessions? So in these sessions, I will be taking up your queries. I will be taking up your mock tests. I will be helping you in practice of more questions. Okay. Plus one chapter I will conduct live. There is one chapter which I will conduct live, which is called as interpretation of financial statements. Interpretation of financial statements. This will be 100% live. This chapter will be conducted 100% live. This chapter will be conducted 100% live. Okay. The concepts, the ratios, the questions, everything will be fully live. Everything will be fully live. Everything will be fully live. Okay. Again, when in this schedule itself, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, accordingly, I'll communicate when and which chapter according to the planner. Sir, when will you share the planner? So planner, I will be sharing with you guys tomorrow in the dedicated WhatsApp group for the enrolled students. Okay. So I'll be sharing the planner by tomorrow or the end of day. By tomorrow, end of day, I'll share the planner with you guys. Okay. Wherein I'll share everything, how exactly you need to proceed further with your lectures. Okay. Now, I believe I have given you all the details about it. Now comes to ACCA technical resources, which you must refer for your exams. Okay, whether you are taking my classes, not taking my classes, doing self-study, irrespective of that, you should be referring to it. Okay, now, so what you have to do is, I'll just a minute help. Desktop's here. Can you see ACCAglobal.com website? Can you see ACCAglobal.com website? Come on, guys, tell me. Can you see ACCAglobal.com website? ACCA website in front of you? Okay, now what you have to do is, you can see 3 dots. Click on that. And you will see, just a minute. Click on these 3 dots. You will see student section. Student section. Click on these students. Scroll down. You will find ACCA study resources. Click on it. You will find ACCA qualification. Click on it. Which is your paper? Financial reporting. Click on it. Now this page, bookmark this page with you guys. And the next 3 months, you have to refer this page every now and then. Okay. Now what does this page has? Important things. Syllabus of ACCFR, though for my enrolled students, I'll guide you in each and everything. Need not worry. Okay. But I'm telling you what are the key aspects of this page. The syllabus, the examinable documents, what are the topics which will be examined in your ACCFR thing. Now, study hub has the concepts, the quiz, the practice, everything is there in the book provided to you. Okay, but if you are a self-study student, you must refer to ACCA study hub. Past exams and questions practice. Okay, so it will have past papers, practice papers, specimen papers. Again, for the enrolled students, everything is in your book, but I am telling it for the all the students in general. Examiner reports. So these examiner reports generally highlights that in the past exams, what are the mistakes made by the students which you should not repeat in your exam. I'll show it to you. I'll show a sample to you guys. See. Where did the candidates go wrong? What was the mistake that the student did? See, in the past exam, the examining team, the person who evaluates your notebook, makes this examiner report, and they are telling you, they are guiding you that in the past students have made these mistakes. So please don't repeat it. Okay. So for my enrolled students, need not worry about the examiner report. I will make a summary and give it to you guys. For the self-study students, you have to make sure that you are studying at least 3 examiner reports. The latest three, March, June 25, September, December 24, March, June 24. These 3, make sure that you are reading at least 3 examiner reports. Further, let's go down. Technical articles. So now, though technical articles are covered as part of my lectures, but I strongly recommend to all the students, whether you are my student or you are not my student, okay, irrespective of that, you have to read the technical articles. If you are my student, you won't find anything new in these technical articles, but when you read, you will get a confidence that yes, I have read these technical articles. Okay, you have to read it. Okay. Now, so these technical articles, topic by topic, I'll keep on guiding you, but topic by topic, you have to read it off. Okay. Now, further, what else? FR mock will be active, you can say around 10 to 15 days before your March 26 examinations. Not now, it is not active now. It will still show the December 25 thing, but not relevant for you. So for March 26, a new mock exam will come up, which will be relevant for you, and it will come in the late February. That is, you can say around 15th of Feb, it will be active. Okay. So these are the resources which you must refer for your ACCA financial reporting exam preparation. Okay. Now coming back to our iPad thing. Okay. Now the schedule, I think I have already guided you with the schedule. The syllabus will be over somewhere in the range of 10th Feb. From 10th Feb till exams, we will be revising queries, practice, a lot of things we'll be doing it off. Okay. Now, so I believe I have fairly guided you a lot of things from an ACCA FR perspective. If you are willing to enroll for our lectures, you can visit the website www.bbvirtualsglobal.com. I'll show the website also to you. So this is the website. If you just type bbvirtualsglobal.com, here we are. Here we go. bbvirtualsglobal.com. Here we go. Okay, so this is the website. You can scroll down, you can scroll down, you can scroll down, scroll down. Yes, financial reporting paper, you can see. Yes, there are some applicable discounts also. So please keep a check on the discounts, apply the coupon codes, and then purchase the lectures. Okay, now for any inquiries that you have, if you have any questions that you want to discuss, then you can call on this number. Okay, or alternatively, you can also WhatsApp on 84313845051. You can do a WhatsApp or you can give a call on this number. If you want to reach out to me directly for any queries, okay, if you want to discuss anything particularly with me, then my contact number is 85840 Also, do not forget to add the country code +91 the country code before doing a WhatsApp or a call. Also, follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. These are my handles, and I post good content on these ACCA, FR, SBR, and lot other exam techniques on my social media handles. Okay, so keep following me. Okay, and I think I have given the website here also, and the contact number is given here as well. Okay, this is my personal contact number which you should WhatsApp or text if you think you need to discuss anything particularly with me. Otherwise, you can contact the team. The team will give you all the details. Okay, I believe I have fairly covered each and everything, but if you want to discuss particularly anything with me now, the chat box is all yours. If not, then again a reminder, tomorrow, that is Tuesday, 16th of December, 7 p.m. India time, same platform, we will be having a session on ACCA, FR, and SBR basics class, which can be attended by both FR and SBR students. Okay, so please make sure that you are joining the same, and also bring your friends also with you guys. Okay, so all of them will be get benefited. Okay, not only you. Okay, everyone should get the benefit of this basics class. Okay, I believe I've fairly covered each and everything. Thank you guys. If you have anything to say, please make a note in the comment box of this video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you guys. Bye bye.